Namaste everyone, my name is Pritika and welcome to the last day of happiness series. So for today we will be focusing on our shoulders. We will stretch our shoulders, we'll do some twisting and let's get started. Yes? Perfect. Perfect. So first we'll begin with a side bend. Let's take our right hand on the right side. Left hand bicep touching your ear. Let's hold it right there. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back up, exhale, let's go on to the other side, left hand onto the left side, right hand bicep touching your ear, let's hold. Now feel the stretch on your right side, let's hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, let's go side to side 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and inhale, let's come back and let's twist onto our right side. Twist from your right side. You can hold your right knee with your left hand. Twist, look back over your right shoulder and let's hold. Both the buttocks down on the floor, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, now hold your left knee with your right hand. Twist your shoulders, keeping your spine erect. Look back over your left shoulder, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, let's relax. Now let's take our right hand up and take your left hand at the back. Hold your hands from behind in Gomukh Asana. Now hold your hands, interlock your hands. Now in case if you cannot interlock your hands, what you can do is you can take a strap, you can use a stall or anything to reach your hands. Yes? So let's begin. Let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's gently go forward and let's hold it for 10 seconds. Let's hold it right here. Let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center and let go of your hands. Now when you are going down and you're holding, just remember to keep your buttocks down on the floor. Yeah, don't lift your buttocks up so that you won't be getting a better stretch. Okay, let's repeat the same for the left hand. Now it might happen that one of your hand might be a little tight, but that's fine. Try and reach your hands. This time your left hand is up, right arm is down. Let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go down towards the floor, keeping buttocks down on the floor. Let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back up and let go of your hands And in case now your shoulders are paining, you can gently roll your shoulders and relax your shoulders. Let's roll our shoulders back for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rotate your shoulders forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. And take your hands and let's keep our hands on our shoulders, and you know what to do. Let's rotate our hands and our shoulders. Now see if your elbows are meeting. Yeah? Let's begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Take your arms till your shoulder level, side to side, and let's rotate our hands forward first. Let's begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's relax. Again, let's twist our body. Let's look back. Let's hold it for 5 seconds this time. Let's hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go towards the other side. Let's look back from your left side. Let's hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come back. Now what we will do is we will interlock our fingers from behind. Let's interlock our fingers from behind. Now roll your shoulders back, straighten up your elbows. Now first we will go down towards our right knee. Let's go down towards our right knee, keeping your buttocks down on the floor. Now just simply push your shoulders forward. Push your hands forward towards the other side. Let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come back up and let's go towards the other side. Let's go towards the left side. As you exhale, go down towards the left side. Again, push your shoulders, push your hands away, and let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, gently come back up, and let's relax. Perfect. Already I am feeling my shoulders are so much open. I feel really good. Yeah. Okay. So now what we will do is we are sitting in Dandasana. Let's gently open up our legs. Let's create some gap. So what we will do is we'll create a little bit of gap, shoulder width apart. Yes. Now let's gently hold our right big toe with our left hand. Twist your body. Take your right hand back and look back over your right shoulder towards your palm. Right palm. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently inhale, come back to the center, and let's go on to the other side now. Let's twist onto the other side. You can hold your left big toe with your right hand. Take your left hand back, twist your body, Look back over your left shoulder, twist, and let's hold. Straighten up your spine, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center and let's relax. Now bring both the legs together in Dandasana. Inhale, take your arms up till your head level. You can take your hands up towards the ceiling or the sky. Now as you exhale, we will bend down and we will imagine as if you're going to touch your chin to your toe. That's how you will go down. Yeah, keeping your lower back pushed in, chest out. Try to do as much as you can. Try to go as much as you can. Then you can wrap your body and go down. Perfect. Let's inhale. Let's take our arms up. As you exhale, go down, bend down as if you're going to touch your chin to your toe. Go down to the point where you can. Now wrap your head down, wrap your body down. And let's hold it for 10 seconds. Let's take 3 long deep breaths. Gently inhale, come back up. As you exhale, let's relax. Perfect. Now again, let's interlock our fingers, roll your shoulders back. We will go forward and back. Yes, let's begin. Now when you will go down, push your shoulders forward, yeah, and come back. Do as much as you can. Perfect. Let's begin. Let's do it for 10 seconds and then we will hold. Let's begin. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, and let's hold. Go down as much as you can. Keep pushing your shoulders and your hands forward. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Let's come back and let's relax. Perfect. Now relax your body, relax your back. You can move your body if you want a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Now what we will do is we will hold our right leg from outside with our left hand. Now twist your spine. Again, take your right hand back, keeping your back straight. Push your body a little bit forward. Hold your foot. Twist. Take your hand back. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center and let's relax. Let's repeat onto the other side also. Hold your left foot with your right hand. Twist your spine. Take your left hand at the back. Look back over your left shoulder towards your left palm. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. With every exhalation, try and twist more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center. And let's relax. Perfect. Let's do the last exercise for today and then we will relax. So now what we will do is we'll make a namaste right in front. Your elbows are out. Now you will twist onto your right side. Place your left elbow outside the right knee. Make a namaste. Open up your elbows. Twist your body. Look up. Keeping your knees tight, spine erect. Twist your body. Hold. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back. You guys are doing amazing. And let's twist onto our left side now. Let's keep our right elbow outside the left knee. Join your palms, open up your elbows, twist your body, look up, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center and let's relax.
So we really hope that you all loved the 7 days long happiness series with us on our YouTube channel. So we are extremely happy that every day you are taking out time for yourself. You are practicing yoga with us, and for that we are extremely grateful and thankful. And apart from this, if you want to become a certified yoga teacher, so we are conducting a 200 hours online yoga teachers training program. So now from your home itself, you can become a certified yoga teacher. Yeah. So it is starting from Jan 14th, 2021 onwards. I think it is one of the best ways to start the new year. And all the information, it is given in the link in the section below, right below our YouTube video. And apart from this, Happy New Year to each one of you whosoever is watching this particular video, and we both wish you the best.
Enjoy your time and just take care.
Just take care, keep smiling and celebrate well. Thank you.
See you guys.
See you. Bye.
Bye.